This is what happens if you're in a rush. So slow down, Brenda, okay?
Merry Christmas, baby. Sure did treat me nice.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. Now, I'm not only here for the wig today, but I'm also here for It's WIGMAS! Mariah ain't got nothing on me. Can y'all tell I'm excited and hot? Goodness gracious, but I'm excited. Not only am I giving you guys the looks all month, but I'm also giving back. It's my small token back to y'all for rocking with me all year. And y'all, we got some goodies. Now let's move on to the hair, okay? Cause y'all see how we looking? This wig right here is a $20 synthetic. Hello. So before I get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. All right, so let's get my wig going. I'm gonna show you guys how I do this real quick. This wig is from Sensationnel. It is the Dashley Unit 20. I got it in the color number 2, but this is not my first Dashley 20. I originally tried her in a 1B and in it was a blonde color, brown blonde color. I thought it was going to be a 1B brown blonde mix, and it wasn't. It was all over brown blonde, and it was, ooh, it was a mess. Here it is. So I had the 1B and I had this color right here. Y'all see what happened to this wig? I tried to relax the curls. I tried to straighten it a little bit to kind of loosen them up, but this is what that wig looks like now. So I have learned what not to do with this wig. So I learned with this one, less is more. Like I said, I tried the 1B as well, and I felt like the 1B was a little bit too dark, which is why I went back and got the color number 2. So that's why I'm showing you guys on the first day of Wigmas, hold up, golly, how to get your wig on and out the door. This is the wig out the pack. That's how the curls are looking. These look better than the 1B. My 1B and that blonde color bang, they weren't as curled as this. It is a full cap, so no lace in this wig. You get the combs in the front, and then you get a comb in the back with the adjustable straps if you gotta tighten it down. For my big head gang, Sensational normally runs a little bit smaller on our heads. So let me just go ahead and unhook the straps on my wig. Kenny greased my scalp for me last night. Thank you, baby. Put my wig cap on. Like I told y'all before, for these caps, even though I do love them, they do loosen after a while. So I just fold it over and then bobby pin it in the back. You can wear this wig full out as a full cap, or you can put it behind your hairline. It stretches over your head really nicely. So I will consider this to be big head friendly without the straps on. You know, take those straps off. So as you can see, she don't look that great. She look a little too perfect. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna pick it out before I shape it. That don't take off too much. I'm just gonna rake through it one time. Not a lot, okay? One time. Loosen it up as much as possible. Then I'm gonna lift it, rake it down that way. If you don't have a pick, use a wide tooth comb. Do not use a rat tail comb. It won't work out the same way. Like this. Y'all see the difference already? If you gotta pull anything apart, just pull it apart with your fingers. Fluff it as you go. Bring it down one time. One time. Lift it up. Bring it down. And fluff. The older she gets, the more natural she can look. Now it's swallowing up my face, which I don't like, so I need to cut a little bit of layers in here. But before I do it, let me just make sure this is all how I want it. So like right here is a little long. Right here, this is too long. So I'm just gonna cut that out. Don't do a blunt cut, because even though it's curly, it's not like ringlets, it's wand curl. So a blunt cut won't blend as well as you want it to. You can't go back if you cut too much, okay? Shake it up. Now the bangs are a lot shorter, but if you want longer bangs, you can just bring some of the hair to the front. Fluff it again, ease it up. Okay, keep teasing it back. I want mine to sit back off my face. I'm gonna take my natural hair, bump it out, bump it out, part it a bit. Take some of my Eco Styler gel on the front. Take my fingers, tease this up right here. The bang is too short, so I'm gonna bring some of the longer pieces in the front. Get my bobby pin so I can hold it in place. Bobby pin it down. Use some of my Topic right here in the front. Fill that in a bit. Use my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray right here in the front. Keep that still. Use some of my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in color Creamy Bronze. Put it right here in my parting space. Even though this is my natural scalp, I want it to stand out. Let's do some makeup really quick. Nothing crazy. Mine. See if there's a fix for that. I have pretty much perfected how I like my base to look. So if you guys want an updated makeup tutorial, just let me know. Okay, so here's the final look with the hair. Listen, I'm so glad I went back and tried the number 2 for this unit. This one is perfect, okay? And that colored unit, we're not gonna talk about that again. Let me see, what color was that? Balayage Mocha. Now y'all see on here, it looks like a dark root into that color and then the highlight. That's what I thought I was getting. Where's the dark root? I mean, it's barely any dark root in there. I thought it was gonna be more of like a black color. No, it's brown. A number 4 brown. I don't know what happened, but at this point I don't care, okay? Because the number 2, the number 2 is where I need it to be. Okay, she cute, I like it. And I also like giveaways. Y'all know it's WIGMAS, so it's my favorite season of giving, and I got a lot to give this season, okay? Because y'all have really showed up and showed out for your girl this year. Thank you so much. So I have partnered with some up-and-coming Black-owned businesses to give back to y'all. So not only will I be giving away some of the wigs that I featured this month, I will also be gifting y'all some WIGBAE gift baskets. So first you get the large WIGBAE gift bag, okay? And inside the bag you will get a custom snapback from RichBoyLLC. They create custom apparel and accessories. You will also get a Nord Fusion Candle Company gift set, which has a candle, a wax melt, and a car freshener. This gift bag also includes a $55 gift certificate to Sweet Poetry Cakery for some sweet treats, whether that's cookies, cakes, or hot cocoa mix. You also get a $25 gift card to Cookie Bloom Accessories. She has jewelry and apparel. And then you get 1 of 2 lip glosses from KieGalore Cosmetics. It will be their new lip oils, or one of my favorite glosses of all time, the Champagne Gloss, plus a retractable lip liner. And even if you do not win, each brand has given me a coupon code to use for the month of December, so you guys can shop and save while giving the looks. To enter the giveaways, all you have to do is make sure you follow my channel and then like and comment on the video that you want to enter. Leave a genuine comment, not a heart. That don't count. What is up for grabs will be in the pinned comment so you guys know. But anyway, this is how the wig is looking now that I got her styled, okay? Nothing crazy. I think you can do it if you take your time. This is what happens if you're in a rush. So slow down, Brenda, okay? But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.